This is the easy way to install a Jeep Wrangler running board, or any kind of vehicle you need to be installed. So look, you use your jack. This is go up and down. Look, so easy. You can do by yourself. Look, and you can adjust back and forth just the way you need it. Look, it took me like 15 minutes to get this done on one side, so probably like a half hour. You can do both sides by yourself. It's so easy. And of course it's not done yet. Just put the jack. You can use your jack and hold that. You can do by yourself. Easy, easy, easy.